So, will you turn on your video? Rudra, Angelia, Nelvin, Gaudi, Ayan, Pranav, Ishal, Amrita. Okay, children, I have sent the homeworks, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You got the answers?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You want the explanation? I'll do that. 1 minute. Let me take the paper and come. All reached? Shall we start? Okay. The angles of a quadrilateral 110, 72, 55 and x degree, find the values of x. That was the first question.
123. 123.
123.
Okay, we'll do it now. 1 second. Okay. Angles of a quadrilateral are 110, 110.
55, 72.
So it was the first question. 110 plus 72 plus
55
55 plus
x
Plus x
equal
is
to
equal to
total sum
360.
360. Then
is equal to 360
yes, what is the sum?
237
237.
237
360 minus
is equal to
237.
Plus x equal to 360. So x equal
X is
360
equal to
minus
360 minus
360 minus
237.
123.
123.
123. Okay.
X is equal to 123.
123. Did you get the answer? Anyone is there who doesn't get it? Prajita, Pranav, Dilla, you all got?
Yes.
Ayan, Angelia. Okay, shall I move to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one, the angles, the three angles of a quadrilateral are respectively equal to 110, 50, 40. 110, 50, 40. 110 plus 50 plus 40 plus x equal to 360.
200 minus
X is equal to
360.
160.
Yes,
200
1
plus
second.
x
Okay. 200 plus x equal to 360.
x is
So,
equal to 360 minus
360
minus
minus
60.
200 equal to
160.
160 degree. 160 degree.
160 degree.
160 degree. Okay. That was the question. Now, that was the sixth question. Seventh question. A quadrilateral has three acute angles. Each measures 80 degree. What is the measure of the
120 degree.
120 degree.
fourth
20
angle?
degree.
Okay.
240 minus 360.
80
So,
plus 80 plus x.
1
360
second, 1
minus
second.
240.
1 second.
3 into 80 plus
3 into 80.
8.
360 x
plus x
So,
is equal
80 plus 80 plus 80.
plus x
Or 380.
plus
3
x
into
is
80.
equal to 360.
80 plus 80 plus
That
80.
is 240 plus
Plus
x
x
is equal to
240 minus
260 is equal
360.
to 360.
60 minus 240.
240.
Therefore, x is equal to 120.
120. Correct. So, that was the third one. Next one.
quadrilateral has all.
You got, I hope you are getting all the answers. You have any doubt, you can ask. Okay,
Yes,
very easy, very easy it is. Then fourth one. Fourth question. Let me check. The quadrilateral has three acute angles, each measure 80 degree. A quadrilateral has all its 4 angles of the same measure. What is the
90
measure?
degree.
90 degree. 90 degree.
Okay, that is
360 divided by 4.
360 by 4.
So you know that it is
X plus X.
4 angles are there. So answer is 90 degree.
360 by 9, 4.
360 by 4 equal to 90 degree. Then two angles of a quadrilateral measure 65 degree and the other two angles are equal.
65 plus
X
65.
is equal to
65 plus 65 plus
65
6
plus
plus 6.
65. Two
So
angles are
130
65.
plus
plus
2x.
2x.
Ah,
Plus
other two angles are equal.
is equal to 360.
Ah,
2
so 130 plus
130 plus 2x
2x
equal to
X.
360.
2x
2x
is
equal to
360 minus 130, that
X
is
equal to
230.
230 by
X
2.
is equal to
X
2.
is equal to 230 by 2.
X is equal to
115.
230 by 2 equal to
150.
115.
150. Okay. Baja, Gauri,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
got the
ma'am.
answer?
Yes.
Ma'am, which Gauri did you mean? Gauri Shankari or Gauri Parvati?
Oh. Three
Ma'am,
angles of a quadrilateral are and fourth angle are of measure 150 degree. Three angles of a quadrilateral are equal and fourth angle is of measure 150 degree.
What is the measure of equivalent?
Three angles of a quadrilateral are equal.
70
Okay.
degree.
70 degree. 70 degree.
X is
Okay, we
equal
will
to
do it now.
70 degree.
X is equal to 70 degree. X plus
70
X
degree.
plus X.
Will you tell the step?
X plus X
150
plus
plus
X.
x plus x
360.
plus is equal to 360. 150 plus 3x is equal to 3.
X plus
X plus 150.
150
Plus
is equal
150
to
equal to
150.
360.
360 minus
150
minus
equal to
210. 210
360.
divided by 3.
150 plus
210.
3x plus
You
150
tell me whether I am doing the
210
correct one.
divided by
X is equal to
3x is equal to 360
360
minus
minus
150
150.
is equal to
210.
210.
210 by 3.
210.
X
X is
equal
equal
to
to 210 by 3
210
is equal to
70.
70 degree.
70.
Correct. Now, next one. Last one is
four
the four angles of a quadrilateral are of the measure 3:5 7:9. Okay. So the ratios. Ratio you know how to
Angle
do.
1
3x plus 5x
Angle
plus
one
7x
you
plus
get a
9x is
ratio,
equal to 360.
If you get a ratio, you have to
Add.
write it as with x, means you should think that there is a common number that is x. So when you get a ratio like this, you have to see that all the ratios like that is 3:5 7:9, right?
Yes, ma'am.
5
Yes.
7:9. Okay. So first angle.
3x plus 5x plus 7x plus 9.
So you will take like this, sum equal to 3x plus 5x plus 7x plus 9x equal to 360 degree.
24x.
24x.
24.
Yes.
24x.
24x is equal to
Okay.
360.
24x
by
equal to
24.
360.
X is equal to
X equal to 360 by 24. Is it 15?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
15. This is x. So you have to find the angles.
Yes, ma'am.
Angle 1 is
3
Into 15.
3 into
3x
15.
equal to
45.
3 into
5
15.
into 15.
45.
5 into 15.
7 into 15.
2
105.
equal
9
to
into 5.
5x
5
equal
into
to 5 into 15.
5 into 15.
75 degree.
75. 7 into 15.
Angle 3 equal to 7x equal to 7 into 15. 105, 35,
105 degree.
105.
9 into 15.
9 into
135.
15.
9 into 15 is 135
Okay.
degree.
Angle 4 equal to 9 into 15 equal to
135.
135.
135.
Okay. These were the homeworks.
We have
Okay,
to add
children.
all of them.
You
We
got
add
the
them, we'll get
answers?
360.
We will get, if you add all of them, we will get 360.
Okay. That finally you have to check that also. Okay, children, shall I take your attendance now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
After that, I'll start class. By the time, if you have any doubt, you can write the answers. Okay, then Gauri present, right? Sriram,
Ma'am, which Gauri?
Gauri Shankari.
Okay. Present. Ma'am, Gauri Shankar is present.
Yes, yes, yes. Sriram,
Present, ma'am.
Adityan, Abhinand,
Present, ma'am.
Abhinav,
And ma'am.
Abhinav Bijoy. Yes, Abhinav PA. Abhinav PA did not come. Ahmad Afin, present.
Ma'am.
Albert Jojo, not reached. Albert Jojo. Then Amal Anjani, present.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Amna Shireen,
Present, ma'am.
Amrita Biju, 1 second.
Present, ma'am.
Amrita Biju, yes, Angelia Biju, both Bijus are there. Then Anthony Babu, yes. Anusha.
Present.
Anusha is there. Anusha.
Present, ma'am.
Arjun.
Present, ma'am.
Ayan. Baja I saw. Then
Present, ma'am.
Carlin I saw. Dilla is there. Ishal is there.
Present, ma'am.
Gauri Parvati is there. Hessa I saw. Hessa is there, right?
Yes,
Hessa?
ma'am.
Ah.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Hessa, Issa also. Johain.
Present.
Johain. Okay, Johain present. Krishna Kriba.
Present, ma'am.
Malavika.
Present, ma'am.
Milan.
Present, ma'am.
Nelvin.
Present, ma'am.
Nelvin present.
Present, ma'am.
Annette Rose.
Present, ma'am.
Lakshmi present. Parthiv.
Present, ma'am.
Parthiv.
Present.
Parthiv. Parvati Menon present. Prajita present. Pranav is present. Rudra.
Present, ma'am.
Rudra. Then Shane John I saw. Shifana. I did not see.
Present, ma'am.
Present. Shreya baby.
Present, ma'am.
Srihiri.
Present, ma'am.
Tanmay.
Present, ma'am.
Uma not reached. Absent.
Ma'am, present. I'm
Ma'am,
present.
Uma is present.
Present. Vaishnav.
Present, ma'am.
Present. So Abhinav PA is absent. Albert Jojo is absent. Only both. They both. Correct. Vaishnav present, no?
Ma'am, Abhinav PA is present.
Abhinav PA is present. So only Albert Jojo. What happened to him? Is he like this? Huh?
Yes.
Yes.
I'll call him today itself. Okay, children. So these were the homework. Now, last day we studied some interior angles and exterior angles sum. Isn't it? What is the sum of exterior angles? Sum of
360 degree.
360. So related to that, lot of interesting questions are there. Okay. So now we can do. Okay, children, 1 second. One second. Okay, like this. Okay, children. So all the exterior angles, whatever be the shape of the polygon or how many sides are there, but when you add all exterior angles, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, and angle 5, okay, the sum will be 360. That is a very important thing that you have to remember always. Exterior angle 360, but interior angle, if you can find, you should use the formula n minus 2 into 180. See, interior angles n minus 2 into 180, but exterior angle, no need of any formula. Exterior angle sum is 360 degree itself. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, this is a pentagon. You can see this is a pentagon, right? Pentagon.
Yes.
So, how to find how many angles are there? How to find how many angles are there? That means 360 divided by number of sides. Pentagon means how many sides will be there?
5 sides.
5 sides. Okay. So, you will get one exterior angle. Clear, children? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
If it is a regular polygon, pentagon, you will get one exterior angle by dividing 360 by 5. Okay, what is 360 by 5? Tell.
80.
80.
Ma'am, 72.
7.
70?
2.
72 degree. See, children, if this number of side is given, we can find exterior angle. Okay. If exterior angle is given, we can find number of sides. Did you understand both the relation? Okay.
Yes,
One
ma'am.
exterior angle is given, we can find the number of sides of the polygon. If the number of sides is given, we can find one exterior angle. Clear, children? So both these are related. Clear? Did you understand?
Ma'am.
Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is a pentagon. So how will you find one exterior angle? That means 360 divided by 5, you will get a 72. It is its reverse operation can be done. 360 by 72, you will get the number of sides. So both these are interrelated. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So we will see. If it is an equilateral triangle, 360 divided by 3. 120. 120. If it is, if one extra angle is given 120, how many sides are there for the polygon?
Three.
We can find 3. So both these are related. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Can we do some questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
1 second. Okay. So we'll do the questions. Okay, I'll give one question to you. Okay, children, I'll give. Wait. Let me take the page. One question, first question you can do. Find the measure of, each exterior angle of a regular polygon of, first one, 9 sides. So, if it is exterior angle, your answer is related to 360. Okay. If you see exterior angle,
Ma'am, 40
that
degree.
is 360. This answer is related to 360.
Ma'am, 40
How will
degree.
you do?
40.
40 degree.
So-
360 divided by 9.
Okay. So we have to find exterior angle, that is angle, that is 360 divided by 9 equal to 40 degree.
40.
And second one is 15 sides. 15 sides.
24.
24.
24 degrees.
Okay. So one exterior angle is equal to, if it is regular polygon, all these exterior angles will be same. If it is another not regular, one of the angle can be 40 degree, only that you can tell. Then exterior angle equal to 360 divided by 24.
15.
Sorry.
360 by
360 divided by 15.
15.
It is 24 degree. So it is a 15-sided polygon. 15-sided polygon.
Okay, ma'am.
And the second question. So second question. Second question means second type. First one. Find the number of sides. The number of sides. Find the number of sides. Find the number of sides of a regular polygon if each exterior angle has a measure of 48 degree. How will you do? Baja? This is the reverse thing. Reverse of the first one.
ma'am 360 by
Divided by
48.
48. Correct.
48.
Baja? Okay. 360 divided by 48. So number of sides. Our question is number of sides. You will get a decimal number, right?
Yes.
360 divided by
7.5.
7.5.
Okay, correct. 7.5 degree. So according to that, if the number of sides is
ma'am
7.
8, right?
7.5. See, children, see, there is one problem here. See, did you get 7.5?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
See, number of sides, will it be decimal number?
No.
No.
So what did you understand from this?
It is not a polygon.
not a polygon.
See, each of its exterior angle has a measure 48 degree. 48 degree. That is the measure. That is the question. So if the exterior angle has a measure 48 degree, we will get the answer as 7.5. 7.5. 7.5. Number of sides 7.5. We will the number, see in your class, 7.5 children, 37.5 children are there. Will it be like that?
No.
No. So you should write, we should write the conclusion that exterior angle is 48 degree. That is not at all possible. Okay, children? Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
48 degree is impossible. That means exterior angle will not be 48 degree. Okay. So when we do the other questions, you will understand. This question is explanation. It will be clear if you are doing some of the questions like this. So we will continue. We will continue. Okay. Now let me explain this by showing the another one. Okay, 1 second. Okay. Okay, children. See. This fourth question, we here children, the second question we have done. Look at here, second question.
Yes.
What is second question? What
The
is
one we
second
did
question?
now.
Find the measure of each
question.
exterior angle of a regular polygon of 9 sides, 15 sides. No problem. We got the answer correctly, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And third one will you do? Third one. How many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of an exterior
15.
angle is 24 degree?
15.
15. Okay. Will you do it now?
Ma'am, can you zoom? Nita, ma'am.
Ma'am, 15.
Will you do it?
Nita, ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am, can you zoom?
Yes?
Ma'am, can you zoom?
Oh, yes. Enough?
I'm done, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's just 15.
So that is the question. And you will get the same one. 15 divided by 360 divided by 15 degree, you will get 24. And 360 divided by 24, you will get 15. So you got the answer. What is the answer?
15.
15.
15. Okay. Okay. Now, this fourth one I'll leave and fourth one I'll explain now. Now, fifth question is there. Here, when I explain all these, you will understand. You will understand. So, fifth question A. Is it possible to have a regular polygon with a measure of each exterior angle as 22 degree?
No. Not possible.
Why? Wait. Will you write it? Is it possible to have a regular polygon?
No.
No.
Wait. Is it possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle as 22 degree? Is it possible?
No.
Not
Is it
possible.
possible? So what will you do if the exterior angle is given? For our answer, what will you do? You will divide 360 divided by 22.
You get a decimal.
Clear? Eh? So when you
You get to
divide 360 by 22, you will get a decimal number. Isn't it? Since
Yes, ma'am.
22 is not a divisor of 360. 22 is not a divisor of 360. That means we cannot not completely divide. We cannot completely divide 360 by 22. Okay. So you will get a decimal number. If you get a decimal number, it is not possible because you will get a 7.5, 5.5, like that one decimal number. So number will not be like that. Okay. In a class, number of students, number of sides, all these will not be a decimal number. So 22, since 22 is not a divisor, 22 is not a divisor, it is not possible. Clear, children? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you should write the answer like this. It is not possible. It is not possible. The fifth one, A. It is not possible since 22 is not a divisor. So you will get the answer if you get a decimal number. If you get a decimal number, it is not possible. That is your clue. If you get a whole number, your answer is correct. If you are getting a decimal number, it is not possible. You should have to write the answer that it is not possible. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we will move to the next question. What is the, so we have done this second question. This question also we have done. Fourth question. How many sides does a regular polygon? Will you write this? How many sides does a regular polygon? How many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angles is 165 degree? This exercise is very important because lot of variety questions are there, all different questions.
Ma'am, what is the answer of the fifth A question?
Not possible, I wrote no, not possible because 22 is not a divisor. That is the answer, not possible. Since 22 is a not a divisor of 360, we cannot completely divide. Okay, children?
Ma'am, this one also not possible. We are getting a decimal
how will
number.
you get? Wait. How will you find the answer? Tell me. How will you find the answer? Did you get the answer? When you read the question, you understood
Ma'am,
something.
x minus 2 into 180.
What is given? How many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle is 160? What do you mean by interior angle, children?
Angles inside the polygon.
It is?
Inside.
Tell me.
Interior
Ma'am,
angle.
angles inside the polygon.
Interior angle is inside. Okay. I will explain. 1 second.
Ma'am, so we have to find the linear pair.
1 second. I'll explain. 1 second. Okay, 1 second. I'll explain now. This type of question needs a lot of explanation because sometimes you will interchange all this exterior angle and interior angle. You will make mistakes. Okay, listen, children. Here in the question, what is given? Read. it
How
is
many
given
sides does
each
it
of his interior angle is 106. Where is interior angle? Is this interior angle?
No.
No,
Where is interior angle?
inside the polygon.
Inside angle.
Inside the
This is
polygon.
given as 160. Actually, if this angle is given, is it possible to find the number of sides?
No.
Number of sides and the exterior angle is connected. Number of sides and exterior angle is connected. This 360 number of sides and exterior angle is connected, right, children?
Yes.
Yes.
These three are connected. These three are connected. Number of sides 360 exterior angle. But here one interior angle is given. So how will you find the exterior angle of this?
Ma'am, exterior angle and interior angle together, it's 180 degree.
Very good, very good, very good. So if it is 165 is an interior angle, when you see this, you will understand it is, how will you find this part?
180 minus
180 minus 165. Clear? Clear, children? So there is a one twist in that question. That is the thing. That means instead of giving exterior angle directly, in this question it is given interior angle. So to find the number of sides, you should find the corresponding exterior angle. Clear?
Yes.
So what is the exterior angle? What is the exterior angle here? Exterior angle is 180 minus 165. Why? Because it is linear pair.
15.
Children, together you will get 180. How much it is?
15.
15 degree. Now you can find number of sides. Number of sides. What is number of sides? Now you can divide. We are dividing
24.
360 by 15, not 165.
24.
We will get the answer as 24 sides. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So don't divide directly. Don't divide directly with the interior angle. Interior angle has no relationship between 360. Clear? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
Okay. Second, yes, Arjun? Yes, Arjun? You are telling something?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So, children, so our question is, how many sides does a regular polygon have each of its interior angle? When you get a question, you read thoroughly and see whether the interior angle or exterior angle is given. Okay. If the exterior angle is given, you can divide directly. But if the interior angle is given, you have to subtract it from 180 degree. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, 1 second. If the interior angle is 170 degree, how many number of sides are there?
10.
Number of sides.
Exterior angle is 10.
Exterior angle is 10, correct. Then
36.
360 divided by 10 equal to 36.
36.
Clear?
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, then if the exterior angle is 10 degrees, is it possible? Sorry, interior angle is 10 degrees, is it possible?
No.
Because
no.
what is the exterior angle here? 170
70.
degree. Can we divide 360 by 170?
No.
Is it a
Decimal
divisor?
number.
No.
So it is not
Decimal number.
possible. Clear? So we will continue. We will do it in the next class. Okay, children? Yes?
Okay, ma'am.
Aditya, Nanu? Lennu?
Ma'am, I sent you the activity, but you haven't seen it.
I marked.
Ma'am, I send you the activity.
Yes, yes, yes. When did you send? When did you send?
Send so
Yes,
many
ma'am. I also sent.
Before yesterday. Okay, okay. I marked most of the students and I'll check. Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay. We'll continue in the next
Thank
class.
you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.